Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make beef tofu. Tofu is available at local supermarkets, so I'm going to show you a very easy one. It tastes like sukiyaki. Have you ever heard the word sukiyaki?
Prepare thinly sliced beef, which is available at Asian food stores. But you can cut beef from a local supermarket into kind of thin slices. Half frozen beef may be easier to slice. A little bit thick ones, no worries. Dice the tofu in big cubes. Cut the green onions about 5 centimeters long. Cut the mushrooms into a few chunks. Heat the oil at high, almost smoking high. Throw the beef in. After hearing a sizzling sound, add some of the prepared sugar and soy sauce. About half a tablespoon of sugar and soy sauce. Roughly mix the seasoning with beef. Add mushrooms and tofu. Pour in sake. Put in the rest of the sugar and soy sauce. Always sugar first and soy sauce next. This is the golden rule for Japanese cooking. Mix it all in. Turn down the heat to medium. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you wait, the tastier the tofu becomes. Add green onions in the end and turn off the heat. If you need more juice for the mix, add a little more sake. Beef tofu is ready. This goes wonderfully well with freshly cooked white rice. Yum!